I'm a big star. I'm a superstar. I'm a rock star. Ladies love my style. Y'all can stop my flow. I'm ready to go. Undeniable. My Montepiwo. My Montepiwo. I'm going on top with my reggae pop. You don't have to clap. We don't do flip flop. We don't drink no pop. We do like hip hop. I'm a reggae pop. So unpredictable. I'm so flexible. Big man.
Rooby Man!
He is got good, man.
He's doing a great job.
You know, my music is for the ladies, man.
Then make some noise. Here we go.
I'm a big supporter. I'm glad I came.
You represented Haiti very well.
Yeah, I see a shout out for Rooby Man qui performe live dans FIU là. Et c'est une plus belle bagaille que nous-mêmes haïtiens nous recevons la belle bagaille.
Rooby Man is the best. He just came here, man. He just rocked the place, man. Rooby Man was doing his thing, man.
What I really did like that he controlled the crowd. He basically owned the crowd. He got in and interacted with everybody. I truly did like that.
I just saw Rooby Man perform and I thought it was an awesome performance. So much energy and life.
Come on, wine on me. What you got for me? Put you on your knees. Better look at me. Do a day for me. You don't wanna do no wrong. If you wanna be the one, show me you the one you want. Can't get me to that level. I don't want you to let it go. You better stay on
Big up to Rooby Man. I love the performance. You know what I'm saying? Keep it up, homeboy.
Showtime, ready to bounce. Ladies, have them applause. I'm just gonna spread this once. Get ready with the wheels. Everybody say, make a right, make a left, throw it back, bring it back. Break your back, shot it. 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 Make a right, make a left, throw it back, bring it back. Break your back, shot it. Break your back, shot it. Break your back, shot it. They wear the dress for the contest. It's just a mess, cause they're obsessed. They don't got time to take a rest. They don't care if the police want them arrested. They get to party, they like the crazy. They know they're sexy, they drive me crazy. But what I can't tell you, no, it's something I do stop. I got a line, yeah. Take a right, take a right, make a left, throw it back, bring it back. Break your back, shot it. 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 Make a right, make a left, throw it back, bring it back. Break your back, shot it. 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 Shawty, let me see you sweat. Wanna see your clothes wet. Don't act like you forget. I am the freakiest man in that bed. After the party, I want you, baby. You show me what you got. Yo, I wanna.
My music, the style, the melody, I mean, everything about my music is different. That's the way I want it to be. And then you can feel the energy. So when you come to my show, man, you cannot be bored, man. So because it's something can grab you and make you dance. And the fellas, you know, I got a song for you. She bought it for me. You know what I mean? When I say, who's got to be the number one? Rooby Man. Who's got the ladies at the crib? Rooby Man. Be man.
Listen, who's got to be the number one? Drop the beat.
bought it for me. Anything that I want, man, she buy it for me. If the store don't get it, man, she ride for me. If she got it pay more, man, she do it for me. I don't really know, cause I guess she loves me. Who's gotta be the number one? Rooby Man. Who's got the ladies in the crib? Rooby Man. Who's got the style and the flow? Rooby Man. Who's got them begging for more? Rooby Man. And the way she spending money, you take 'em out of pocket. I be reaching out my pocket, she be like a socket. When we go out to dinner, she be like I got it. When I'm trying to talk to her, she be saying drop it. Listen, come on, girl, let me pay for this. I got money, girl, I can pay for this. Why you always do that? I'm a man. Only thing she wants is below my pot. Who's gotta be the number one? It's the man. Who's got the ladies in the crib? Rooby Man.
It's a Canterbury Productions, you know.
You see her? Wow. She's hot. The Haitians we must so beautiful. I'm so proud to be Haitian. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? Big man. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? I'ma take her home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. I'ma take her home with me. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? I'ma take her home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. I'ma take her home with me. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna spend? How much you wanna drink? You ain't got that thing. I'ma take that thing. I'ma break that thing. I'ma breathe that thing. I'ma roll that thing. From the bottom up, she will be on top. Like she riding a horse. I'ma be the boss. You do what I say, repeat what I say. I'm on my mega. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? I'ma take her home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. I'ma take her home with me. How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? How much you wanna bet? I'ma take her home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. Going home with me. I'ma take her home. I'ma take that girl.
You know, you can follow me on Facebook, Rooby Man, Twitter, RoobyMan01, Instagram, RoobyMan4. Man, I'm all over social medias, man. So if you want to get in touch with me, you know what to do. And you can also visit my website, roobyman.com.
Et pour toujours pour la vie. Bimon, c'est comme ça je veux, comme ça pour nous deux. C'est à nous à deux je t'en veux. Time to get undressed, not settle for less. Believe me, no stress, we don't need no rest. We gon' need all day, until the next day. We gon' all the way, yes I'm on my way. Listen what I say, amour je t'en supplie, bébé, oh, wow. Bimon,